All right. Welcome back, everyone. It's Teamwitherving here. Welcome to our weekly Forex forecast and review. This is for the week of January 11 to the 15th, 2021. So in here, we are going to be trading our system, our multiple time frame system. So the link will be below if you want to get a copy of it. All right, so let's go ahead and start, guys, and show you what I have here, and hopefully everything makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our Gbp Usd. Remember, guys, just a quick reminder here before we move on is the following: that I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market with rules. Everything I'm giving you here is for educational purpose. This is not signals. They're very accurate what I'm giving you here, but they're not signal. Make sure you like and share and subscribe if you haven't done so. All right, so don't forget to subscribe. And if you ever want to grab our multiple time frame, the link is always below. Okay, never ever forget. And if you have not watched the video from yesterday, guys, please do so. Yesterday we did record. Yesterday was Saturday. We did record our pre-week video, so just take a look at it if you guys have not seen it. Today we're doing our weekly forex, but here it is. All right, so let's go ahead and start with Gbp Usd. This is what I see here, guys. What I'm seeing here is very straightforward. So is we are seeing the market is giving us a sell position on Gbp Usd. It's doing it, guys. It's doing it. Pay attention. Look at here. Boom. It's selling. Selling. Real time right now. Boom. Selling. Remember, I'm here every weekend only to give you what is going to happen tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That's all I care. And then we usually do this, come back on Wednesday and reanalyze what I'm doing today, what I did yesterday. But right now the market is giving us a what? It's giving us a sell position. So what I'm seeing here the market's still gonna do here is the following, guys. I'm seeing here the market still have room to drop and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line. Then the market will make a continuation of a bullish position in here, correcting itself. Then the market will be in a sell position. Overall, all I'm saying here is the market is selling. You seeing it, I'm seeing it, and hopefully you are seeing it or agree with me. If you do disagree with me, it's fine. Please comment below. Let me know what is in your mind, because that is the only way that I can help you out to become a better trader, only if you let me know. Okay, comment below. Comment below. All right, so hopefully this makes sense, guys. Guys, another quick reminder that I'm gonna give you here today is that tomorrow, Monday, I'm gonna be doing live streaming on the channel. So I'm not gonna be talking. I'm just gonna let it run. So if you're on the go and you want to take a look at a sneak peek of what the multiple time frame is doing, you are more than welcome to do so. Just let me know. Someone said, Irving, please can you do GBP Euro USD and USD Jpy? If you do have any other pairs, I'm selecting 4 pairs. Please let me know. I need 2 more and then bingo. All right, let's move on. Let's go to the next one. Bear with me. Let's go to silver. Look at what silver is doing, guys. Silver is moving very sexy in here. I love to use the sexy word, guys. Just bear with me. It's the boom boom and the sexy. All right. All right, look at this guy right here. It's giving us a sell position in the market. Look at what the system is doing. Boom. System drop. And it's dropping, guys. So right now, what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing this guy forming, right? So it's not fully ready yet. So what the market may do is may come back and retest that 38.2 Fibonacci line and here all over again. It's now probably 1 or 2 bars. Then, well, market will continue as bearish. In here, we do have a sell position. Look at what I'm calling this to be stopping there, because I'm seeing this brothers and sisters in here, a multiple time frame that is stopping in there. In addition to that, pay attention what our radar is doing. Boom, 4 hours is selling. Boom, daily is selling. Boom, weekly is selling. Boom, monthly is selling. So everyone is doing what? Everyone is selling down. What is our system letting us know here? Look at this. Look at how beautiful this thing is, guys. So our system is letting us know, Irving, we're selling. Boom, look at that drop. Isn't it true? Of course it is, guys. Of course, this is silver. This is silver. It's dropping like it's hot, brother. You like it or not, market is dropping. All right, let's move on to the next one. Guys, do you guys have any question or just another reminder that I have to promote is please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you want to grab our multiple time frame, the link is below. All right, the link is below. All right, so let's go to Euro AUD. Pay attention what Euro AUD is doing. Gorgeous. Euro USD is sexy. What is happening here? Remember, the market here is selling, guys. Market still selling here. It's not in a buy mode yet. Look at here. Sell, sell, sell. Look, boom. Supposed to be in a bullish position. But remember, that's what I always say, guys. Find out where is the trend going. If you are in a sell position, go with the trend. If you're gonna be scalping the market, then yeah, sure, do whatever you want. But scalping the market is very dangerous. If you don't know what you're doing, it is very, very dangerous. One thing that I never promote, guys, is let me show you this pretty cool stuff that I have here. Is I never show you this for some reason. I just don't know why, guys. Let me see. Let me show you the Robinhood. Last time when I opened this, I opened it with, I think, with like 1,700 bucks, and it's kicking butt, guys. Look at this. Let me delete all this stuff. This is another source of income that you guys can get. Look at that. Today is look. I made what? I had a couple dollars in there, and I throw my own money in there. So I'm growing this account little by little, but it's there, guys. This is pretty cool. This is all the stock that I have. Look at that. G-Pro, BTU, CPR. Oh gosh, there's a lot. I had NEO, Tesla. What is Tesla doing today? Probably like 32K, if I'm not mistaken. Look at it. This is a stock that I always tell everyone to buy. It's a NEO. It will be the future of Tesla. Airbnb is there. You know Airbnb is brand new, so it's there. Look at what Bitcoin is doing. 39,000. I don't have that much. I got some in there. Look at my money is working in there. Look, I got near recurring payment. So the next payment is gonna go for 15 bucks toward that. I'm telling you, Neo is a good one. Apple is awesome. Coca-Cola is. All these guys are paying small dividends, believe it or not. Let's go to the cash so you can see it. Look at all these dividends right now. See that? What is coming? I know it's not that much, but trust me, penny counts. Look at that. Boom. It's coming. Pending to get. This is dividend. Pending. 9 cents, 14 cents, 20 cents, 18 cents, 4 cents. It's money in there, bro. It's money in there. But money will roll. Alright, so I never do this. The link is below, guys. If you want to grab Robinhood, invest $1,000 and let it run. Grab the link so I can grab 8 share or 2 share, whatever they do, and then you grab some as well. Alright. So this pair here is doing the following. Still very down. Then it's gonna correct itself, coming to our 23.6 Fibonacci line. Then the market will drop and continue as bearish. So overall here, I'm looking here is in a sell position. All right, but it's getting ready for a pullback, but it's just still pushing. But I'm looking for the sell in here. If you want to go with the pullback, make sure all the rules meet, and then you hit the home run. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is USD Jpy. USD Jpy is moving very, very sexy. This is what I tell you guys. Never trade PV equal VV if you don't know how to do it, because market here is, this guy still in control. This guy's here, the PV is getting ready but it's not fully ready yet. Still weak. So the market, what I'm seeing here is market still gonna push maybe 1 or 2 candle here down, correcting, coming to the 51 to the 50 Fibonacci line. Then overall, the market still in a bullish position. This guy still active. Pay attention what our radar is letting us know here, guys. Our radar is letting us know the market is still in a buy position. The 4 hours, the only thing that is contradicting, letting us know, okay, the market is things like it wants to come down, but all the larger time frame in here, St. Irvin, no, don't be fooled. Stay on bullish yet. Market is not ready yet to go in a sell position. All right. I'm drinking coffee, guys. It's good. So good. Drinking my cappuccino that I made this morning. All right, guys. So USD Jpy is, I'm looking here for a buy position, to be honest. Still active. And the next pair that I have for you here is the Euro NCD. What happened with Euro NCD? You know what? We're gonna remove it, guys. We're gonna remove it. I'm giving you a lot anyway. So, all right, let's go to Euro NCD. This is what someone asked me, Irving, what's going on with Euro NCD? Pay attention. I told you guys on Friday. This sell hit happens on Friday, guys. It happened at the last minute. I sent a reminder to the chat, to the group, and say, hey guys, 4 hours in daily is ready firm. Let's go. Let's grab this money. And boom, look at what happened. I told them the market was selling, guys. And look, boom. Told them when all this guy happened here. I went to the daily, boom, it was there as well. Our system let us know, it triggered the signal. And then what happened was the market did exactly what I told you. This is what I'm expecting to see here, guys. I'm expecting to see this guy here to be in a sell for the rest of the year. I don't think the market will continue in a bullish position. Plus, a new president is taking over in the next week. 2 weeks, right? So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave this guy, this bad boy, to be in a sell for a very, very, very long time. Yes, this is what I think market may do here, guys. Market, can continue, can come back to the same area and then bounce back. I don't care. I don't care. I'm looking for a sell. That's me. Remember, I'm not giving you any signal. I'm just letting you know what I'm doing here. I took this small position in here. All right. This one has what, over 200 pips? It's in there, guys. Bingo. Boom, boom, boom. That's what I'm doing. And I also trade with TradingView. I trade with TradingView. I do, sometimes I just look what our MT4 is doing and I execute my trades on TradingView, and that's it. Now I'm trading 4 different brokers, including TradingView. But TradingView, what I'm doing is I'm trading from brothers and sisters, from the magic arrow to the magic arrow, and I don't worry about it. Really, I don't worry about it. I'm just leaving it for months and months and months to go. So I started that account with $10,000 and I just left it in there, and it's growing little by little. Okay. All right. So thank you, guys. So make sure you guys can join tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be doing live streaming. And Tuesday, I'm going to be doing live streaming as well. No, Tuesday, we're going to do a session. We're going to come back and we're going to do a Zoom. For some reason, the Zoom license that I have is freaking giving me a hard time. So hopefully everything comes back to normal. And then we're going to go ahead and review the market with the team. All right. So, but tomorrow I'm going live streaming. So please don't forget to be in it. But that's all I have, guys. So thank you so much for coming in. I want to thank you for the bottom of my heart for all the support. Let's grow together. Let's grow as a team. God bless you guys, and God bless the United States. Take care, guys. Hasta la vista. Bingo. Bye-bye. That's all I have, guys. It's like, if you want to see some money, there you go. Hundreds and hundreds of what? Yeah. Oh, pips. All right, guys. God bless you, man. Stay safe. Never forget to love your family, okay? Bye-bye.